You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word, but how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word. I know it confuses a lot of people, but it's actually easy once you know. Let's break down the pronunciation. If you want to learn more confusing vocabulary, stay tuned. Strengthens. The G is silent, so do not worry about it. Yeah, the G is there just to confuse people. The Americans in particular, perhaps. Strengthens. So strengthens. Strengthens. The TH is with your tongue between your teeth. Strengthens. It's easy, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.